What's up, traders? 4 trades today. Let's get to it. All right, traders, before we get started, thank you so much. We're about there, 2,000 subscribers, getting so close. If you aren't subscribed, be that 2,000th subscriber. Hit that button. Don't forget the like button too. Also, no Amazon gift card in this video. It's going to be in tomorrow's video. I'm just going to tell you that straight up. So with that said, here's the live trades. So watching Snap here, this is off the plus I3 scan. You don't see it on my ultra scan because that is usually just looking for ones going high of day. This one's not quite high of day yet. Starting to struggle here. We're going to start this. We actually got 60. Thankfully, it popped back up there on the ask. There we go. We're coming down. Look to take this off if it wants to just get straight to that 2640 area. And actually look to add to our position. Tried to break up through the highs and failed. Let's see what it does here. We got the highs here at 2680 from pre-market. We're going to add here. Basically going to risk off high of day now. Probably right above that 2680 area. Put our order in here for 75%. Coming down to it already. Put it in there 45 just in case we get that 50 flush. Coming back down through 50 and get down to 45. Take off 75%. Coming down 47. We're on the bid. There we go. And it came down through. Got our 75% out. Let's see if we can get the rest of this down towards like 2620 area. Coming right down. This is a pretty big move back down after the big move up. All right, order sitting here at 15. Not quite. 19. 18. Just trying. 17. 2 cents away. We're just going to take it there. It really felt like it was trying, didn't want to quite get through. Take a look at SE. It's right off the minus I3 scan. Yeah, look at this thing. Let's start this. Got 120.46. If it wants to go down through 119, we'll look to add again, but I think got bought right up here. Let's draw our fibs real quick. Start to move right here from that resistance or support, previous support. So we got about 123.11. We'll put it at 122.95. Or I put 85. We'll use 85. See if we can front run that 50% a little bit. All right, so we're actually trying to go low a day here. See if we can get down through 119. All right, coming up, see if we can get through 122. There we go, 122.50. It's kind of spready. See if we can't get that move up through 122.50 here. Not quite. Just trying. We're just going to take it there. I don't want to see this be kind of just like a lower high and then continue down. Oh, of course, pops through. There's 95 on the ask. I don't know if we would have got filled there. At LLNW here on the scanner. Take a look at that. All right. It set an alert on the scanner. It was at around 16. I do like this extension though, on some volume. Through a whole dollar. Kind of feels toppy here. It's not really trying to extend. We'll go ahead and give it a start. 808 is what we got. See if we can't get that move back down to 8, maybe through. All right, we got our order sitting here, 797, 798, 1 cent off the bid. We're coming back up. All right, through 8. Yeah, we're gonna take off 75% there at 801. Got a penny away, unfortunately. We'll see if we can get the rest of it to come down towards 790 area as it gets bought right back up. We'll stop out high of day on the rest of these. Sitting at 813. Didn't quite get there last time. Keeps trying to reject, but this thing's kind of moving slow. The volume pretty much died out. Never quite got back under 8, so kind of felt like this might be coming. Got the pullback, and now we're trying to go higher. There it is, 813. Probably get the 1 cent slippage. There it is, 814. And yep, we got filled 814 there. Okay, so stopped out there. I just realized I'm not even on the right chart. Crap. Sorry about that. There it is. VIXY, we saw the SPY absolutely dumping. Look at this nice extension from 2740. Our entry was at 73. We just took off 75% of that down here, and we got 52. We had an order out. It actually got filled. The SPY looks like it wants to go a little bit lower. I'm kind of watching that as we're watching this. Now the SPY is dumping. All right. Yeah, we're going to get out of it here. All right, traders, that was my 4 trades starting here on Snap. This thing got pummeled right before the open, popped up, real nice extension right at the open into that pre-market high here at the 2675 area. It felt like it was trying to stop. It was hitting that ceiling a little bit before that. So we decided to enter. It tried to get up there, got right under high of day from pre-market, and we hit it again for the backside, risking off that area. So came back down, and we actually left a little bit of money on the table here, but pretty nice trade overall on Snap. That was a pretty good one. Drew the fibs there. I'm going to start trying to get at least my first take profit there at the 50% line for the fibs, because I just need to start being more patient on my trades. Our next trade was here on SE, and as you can see, this is something I don't usually do, take a long position. But I pulled this up. Everyone from ISW pretty much said that they were in SE, so I was like, well, I guess I should pull it up. I didn't see it up on the scanners because I was looking at the wrong scan, but then I looked over and saw it on the -I3 scan, and sure enough, I pretty much did exactly what I would do on the other side. Started kind of feeling the bottom instead of feeling the top. This thing was really extended, and we decided to jump in. And we had an order right below this. We were at 122.85, I think it was. And I kind of just took myself out of the trade. It felt like it was trying to get up there. Didn't want this to pop up, and it started to feel like it could be a little bit of just the relief bounce before continuing lower. And again, I don't play longs that much, so I was happy to just kind of get out of this thing with a nice little win here on SE. And then we moved over to LLNW. This was a little bit of a slower trade, right off the scanner as well. Again, previous resistance. Started the move from here up to here, looking for 50%. The only problem is we had the whole dollar kind of sitting in the way of that. We tried to let it go through. It tried a couple times right here, and it just did not want to go through. It actually missed our bid that we had there by 1 penny. It came back up through 8, so we decided to take off our 75% there instead of trying to wait for this to come back down through to that 50% level. And ultimately, it ended up being the right move because it did go out and stop us out for the rest of our shares before. That ended up being a top tick. The high of day was 814. You can see our order was there at 814, and this thing absolutely just faded the rest of the day. So a little unfortunate there. We would have been in this fade. I was looking to let those shares go as long as we had to. But unfortunately, it decided to go up and stop us out first. So a little unfortunate there. And our last trade of the day was on VIXY, as the SPY was absolutely getting pummeled. Take a look at the SPY here real quick. Just very extended. This move right here is where we decided to jump in. And as you'll see, it's pretty much the exact inverse when you come over here. And it was a pretty nice extension from that previous resistance. Jumped in, and we were just kind of watching the SPY as it happened. It was extended. Just felt like it needed a pullback, so that's all we did. We just got in looking for that pullback, got 75% out as we were getting close to that that previous resistance, and as the SPY started to drop again, we noticed, then we jumped out, and as you can see, we ended up being right there. And that's all I got for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Look for the 2,000 sub giveaway video. I will probably do that tomorrow, and I got some stuff to do here today around the house, so I want to try to get that done. But don't forget to like and subscribe. I always appreciate that support. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Nice little rebound day today. We did scale back. We decided to go from a 200 max loss back down to 100 just to get our confidence back. And as you can see, we still had a pretty good day. I want to figure out how to have the days I was having, risking 200, but with 100. And as you can see today, we did just that. So I need to make this more of the norm. I need to be more consistent with my take profits. I need to make it more systematic for myself. So until we can get there and we're 100% consistent, I think I'm going to stay at this level, because if I can pull in these days, I will feel a lot more confident when we move up that everything will be much better off. If I can like I said, if I can pull in these days, we'll be just fine. Today was a good day, 4 for 4, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.